I probably wouldn't even make it up this. Yeah. Look, it says slide area.
Yeah. I can just picture you not being able to stop and just crashing into this.
Yeah, me too. Same. I can picture that too. But I know I can go up it though.
Oh, yeah. But down is the problem.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'd be scared to even go on this on a bicycle.
True, that's true, huh? I would be too.
I don't know, have you ever seen a bicycle go up here?
Nah.
And come down?
Nah, but I'm sure people have done it though.
Oh yeah, like a mountain bike, yeah.
Yeah. But not these road bikes.
You should have bought the dirt bike then.
Yeah.
You'd have no problem going up here.
You know what? I'm gonna try this. I'm not gonna go all the way up. I'm just gonna be like, and see what I can do.
How you gonna turn around?
I'll just like back up.
In this little hill right here?
Yeah. I'll just like ride. As long as it's not like loose right here, it's good.
Dude, you scare me.
I don't want anyone to like say, hey, what are you doing? That's the only thing.
Or you don't want anybody recording you. That puts more pressure on you.
That's true.
And if you fall, YouTube.
Yeah.
You're gonna title it Jackass Biker, some shit like that.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, I have enough clearance on my bike.
Huh?
I have enough clearance on my bike.
Clearance?
Yeah, the ground clearance. Is this scaring you? Because it's scaring me though. Shit.
I mean, it's scary me and I'm not even doing it.
Yeah.
It's just I don't want to see your ass get hurt.
Yeah.
Wait, are you really doing it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Let's see.
The only problem is this thing is so damn heavy.
Yeah, I noticed. I wonder how good I can corner with your bike.
You wanna try it?
Well, when we go down there, we should like make a turn.
Yeah.
But I just want to try it out. Like,
Yeah.
we can switch bikes. I just want to like go slow on yours.
Okay.
Because I know I can't go as fast as you.
Yeah.
Watch me keep going straight. I'm like, what the fuck? Why would it turn? Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, he's in the perfect spot too. But you should record just in case.
Huh?
You should record
Sure.
just in case. Ah. Oh, damn it, it's slippery! Yeah, buddy! Gotta get this shit. Made it up here on a bullet bike. Yeah. Now the hard part. Oh shit! Oh man! Oh, but this is gonna be hard. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh wow, dude, this is insane. Huh. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. On a bullet bike, man. Wow. Oh, right. Whoa. Oh shit. Woo. Yeah. Your turn.
I don't know. I ain't as done as you. You know what's weird? You saw that car that was right there?
Yeah.
You know he was on his phone the whole time. As soon as you came down, he kind of left.
The car?